Perfect. Okay, so it's your favorite here, 0 stars. Yeah, so we have had a lot of responses that have come back around Ryu. So if you're a big Ryu supporter, you have to check out the INF Game Changer. Comment on the INF Game Changer, Ryu, and all of those votes will count up and will work in favor for Ashton, who will count up how many Ryu fans there are, yeah? So all of that will end up getting collected. So that's the only way at this point in time that all of Ryu fans will be able to support the Ryu Development Evaluation Project.